Today we got lowering springs from Ibach. Thank you to, I'm gonna link his Instagram right here, and it's gonna be in the description below. He got me a good deal on these lowering springs. He also makes carbon fiber steering wheels, so we are gonna be getting a carbon fiber steering wheel, flat bottom. But we got the Ibach lowering springs. This is the Pro Kit, so it's gonna drop down. The height will drop down from, I think, 1 inch in the front and 0.8 in the rear. So I'll show you guys what it looks like, what the car looks like now, and then what it's gonna look like after. Today's vlog is sponsored by Snapback Lane. If you guys love the hats that I wear and you want to know where to get them from, the store is located in Norfolk, Virginia. They also have an Instagram page that I'll link in the description below. If you guys spend $25 and more, you will get 15% off using the code FLOW1, and that'll be in the description below also. So hit them up, follow them on Instagram, check it out. So this is what the car looks like without the springs. This is at stock height. Alright, so the front is gonna drop just, it's gonna drop a lot. It's gonna drop like halfway, which is still good. And then the rear is gonna drop 0.8. I think the rear is gonna close up a little bit more. I'm gonna have more of an aggressive look. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like after, when I get it done. So I had to stop over here at MOTOHIO, European Motorbikes, to look at their new S1000R. They will be getting the S1000RR soon, 30 to 60 days from what the guy said. This thing is sick. There'll definitely be a bike coming to the channel probably this summer. I don't know, we'll see how things go. It's actually pretty big in person. This thing is actually crazy big. Oh, it's got the Acropovic exhaust already on it. Focus. Carbon fiber. That looks like a full exhaust. I'm not too sure. What's the price tag on this? Bike is $16,940. Let me get that up there. Focus. $16,940. And those are the additional things that it has. Warranty is 3 years, 36,000 miles, limited warranty, 5-year limited emissions warranty, roadside assistance. Get a closer look at that. This bike is sick. So it doesn't have like a, this isn't leather. This is like a, it's like a fabric. Definitely a sweet bike. And it has $1,750 off. I never really liked the single R. I like the double R because it's like more of a sport bike. This is like a naked bike. It looks like it has a quick shifter. I believe that's a quick shifter, where you don't have to press the clutch to shift the bike. You don't have to squeeze the clutch to change the gear. You can just ride fast and just keep switching gears without hitting the clutch. It's got the Brembo brakes, which I'm pretty sure start really good. What are these steel lines? I think it's weaved and then coated with something. This plastic right here. What year is this? I think it's a 19 or 20. Oh, it's a 2019. It's a pretty sick bike too. Somebody bought it already.
It's just like it's like they're only
This is a sick bike too.
They were the first one to get it.
Ducatis are kind of growing on me.
Yeah.
Now this is leather right here.
Thank you for calling Ohio. Can I help you?
Like, look at it.
Oh yeah.
This bike is definitely huge in person.
Okay.
Also has Brembo brakes. These look kind of bigger in the BMWs. Definitely a sick bike. Imagine this is just my hand.
Well, I'd say that's probably just more an inaccuracy of that
Bike is
speedometer.
huge. Look at those wheels. Those are fire wheels. What is this one?
Have somebody ride along with you somewhere on a place you can do it safely in a car.
This is the Ducati Diavel S Black. And it's got 24,000, 24.8. These bikes are a grip, but hey, if you can afford it, come get it. It's a nice bike. I'll probably get this one because it's smaller, but it's still like mean looking. And this baby right here, the Super Sport S, 16,000. This is a beast of a bike. I don't know about the red wheels though. I like the white. It's like a matte finish. I believe that's a quick shifter right there. Definitely a sweet bike though. I like how Ducati does the one-sided swing arm. So this is what you call a swing arm. What is this? I believe this is Alcantara. This may be Alcantara. And fabric or maybe leather. Oh my goodness. And then here, this is the Ducati Panigale V4S GP Corsa. 30,000. This is a fast bike too. I know this bike is equipped. It's got, what is this, fabric with the Corsa in it. I don't know what's back here, but it's a one-seater obviously with the one swing arm. Look how big this is compared to that one. The Ducati, if I wanted a bike now, or if I should go with the BMW. this baby right here, the Ducati Monster. Oh my goodness, this bike sounds so sick. I seen somebody pop a wheelie with one of these bikes. Oh my goodness. 1200. It's going for 13,000. Wait, what's the... Let's look at the jackets, man. These are hard. I see the price tag on these. $749. I mean, that's not bad because I've seen some jackets that are way more than that. I mean, if you want to stay safe, you obviously got to pay more to stay safe on the road and on the track. Hayden, number 69. You got the visor. You got carbon fiber. I don't know what that is. Probably, I don't know. You got the seats. Zoom out. Carbon fiber. Alright, so they do have Ducatis, Triumphs, and more. They got Harley Davidsons, as you've seen. Pretty sure they can get you whatever bike you're looking for if you're really interested. So definitely give them a shout. Give Elizabeth Allen a shout here at MOTOHIO European Motorbikes. They do, she said they also do demo rides, so I'll definitely be here for a demo ride. Gotta get my jacket, gotta get a helmet. I'm pretty sure you just gotta wear jeans and I guess kind of good shoes. Has the quick shifter. This is a brand new bike, Triumph Street Triple R or Street Triple. Carbon fiber. And this is a stock exhaust. Got the Öhlins suspension. Definitely a tough bike. It's got that bug eye look. This is Triumph's new bike here, which is the Rocket 3 GT Phantom. Let me get a close up on that. 2020 Rocket G3 GT Phantom Black, 24 grand. It's a dope bike too. It's got the side exhaust. It's got the single swing arm, like a Ducati. I think I've seen this bike before. I'm not sure. It looks like the Harley, the Harley that they partnered up with Porsche. It's a 2500. Oh my goodness, this probably will smoke a Hayabusa. This is more of a, I guess, an adventurous kind of BMW bike. The F900. This is a new bike also from BMW. And then the F900R. So this is like BMW's, I guess, naked bike, and then this is like their adventure bike. It's the F900XR. I like this too. Surprised they didn't put a single swing arm on it. Does it have a quick shifter? No quick shifter. I don't think BMWs come with quick shifters. Thank you, MOTOHIO European Motorbikes, for letting me vlog today and see the different kind of bikes you guys have. They have Triumphs, Ducatis, BMWs. They got many more bikes that if you need them, just give them a call, and I'm pretty sure they'll take care of you. What's up, you guys? So this is a whole different day, probably like a whole 24 hours to be honest. Just picked up the car back from Meineke, and shout out to them because they installed the Eibach lowering springs for me, and it looks so good. Like honestly, the car looks so good. It's definitely more aggressive. The front end is definitely lower. As you can see, like, I mean, as you've seen before, the front wheel well, I could fit 4 fingers like that in between the tire and the fender. And then the rear, I could fit like 2, maybe 2.5 fingers. Now, it's definitely closed up, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now. All right. This is what it looks like now with the space, I mean, not spacers, with the lowering springs. Now I could fit 2 fingers in there. Show you what it look like now. Definitely way better, way better. And then the front end is definitely lower. And once I get a front splitter, it's gonna look really good. I'm gonna be running 20 by 9.5 in the front and 20 by 10.5, maybe 20 by 11 in the rear. And this is what it looks like in the back. Can barely fit 2. I mean, it could go a little bit lower, but I'm going up 20s, and these are 19s, so it definitely looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna get the windows tinted soon too. Got the downpipe coming, VRSF downpipe coming, and the VRSF air intake coming. So it definitely looks way better. I gotta make it sound better. So yeah, I'm happy with the look. The active suspension still works properly too. So when it's in comfort, it's not soft, but it still works the way it's supposed to work. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. You know the drill. And thank you guys for watching my videos. You know, thank you for the support from my friends who's been showing support. People who's been hitting me up telling me that they love the car, blah blah. Thank you. So from here, it's nothing but going up. So I'll see you guys on the next one. All right.